Hi, once again, welcome to our channel today. In this video, I will be making a short tutorial on how you can delete a page or a group on Facebook. But first, let's talk about how to delete a group on Facebook. So to do that, we'll come straight to the specific group we are trying to delete. So we come to the groups section, and on the groups page we select one group, or let's select one group we are trying to delete. So let's go back. I'm not trying to delete this. So there are a few things to take note of when you want to delete a Facebook group. I think one of the first things is that in order to delete a Facebook group, you need to remove every single member of the group. So, and I've not seen a way to do that automatically, especially when you have so many persons on a group. So you go straight to the group, as we have just done in our in this video. So let's just restart everything from scratch. So you go straight to the group, select groups, you select the group you want to delete. After selecting the group you want to delete, you select members, and then you remove all members of the group. So let's remove this member of the group. Let's remove all members of the group. Yes, we remove them. Yeah, so I think we have removed all. Okay, I think we still have one more member of the group, so let's reload it and see who is still remaining. Yes, okay, yes, so we removed all members of the group. Now it's time to remove the group admin and to delete the group. So when you have removed all members of the group, you the group admin, which is you select to leave the group, and then you'll be presented with the option to delete group. And as soon as you delete the group, the group is deleted, and then basically it is no longer online. After some time, it gets deleted and it completely goes offline. So that's how to delete a Facebook group. If you found value from this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video.